In this video, we are going to demonstrate the process of crafting enticing mockups using the versatile Canva platform. To embark on your mockup journey, begin by launching Canva and configuring your canvas with the desired dimensions. Whether it's a poster, business card, or social media graphic, Canva's array of templates can provide a wellspring of creative inspiration. This initial canvas setup sets the stage for your design venture. With your canvas ready, delve into the creative process. Suppose you're working on a design for a t-shirt. In that case, you can harness Canva's vast library of text styles, design elements, and imagery to bring your vision to life. Experiment with fonts, colors, and graphic elements until your design aligns perfectly with your vision. Once your design is polished and ready for prime time, it's time to transform it into a mockup. Click on the Share button located in the top right corner of your screen, and a drop-down menu will reveal the option More. Then, search for Smart Mockups. Clicking this will transport you to the realm of Smart Mockups, an integral part of the process. Before you can proceed with Smart Mockups, you'll need to log in or create an account using your Google credentials. Once you're in, you can upload your design and explore a plethora of mockup ideas. Visualize how your design appears on various mediums, such as t-shirts, sweatshirts, packaging, print materials, tech gadgets, mugs, pillows, candles, and much more. Tailoring your mockups to specific products is essential for a polished finish. Adjust the canvas size accordingly. For instance, opt for a smaller canvas when designing for items like mugs, typically sized at 6 by 6 inches. To ensure your mockup design aligns seamlessly with the product, save and preview your creations on the Smart Mockups platform. Therefore, Smart Mockups serve as your dedicated platform for viewing and perfecting your mockups. In summary, this tutorial unveils a straightforward and user-friendly approach to crafting mockups within Canva. By following these steps, you can elevate your design presentations, leaving a lasting impression on your audience. In addition to that, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon.